The Movie and Television Review and Classification Board, or MTRCB, is intensifying its campaign to make the public understand better its ratings of movies and television shows. MTRCB Chairman Eugenio Villarreal presently going around the country to explain such ratings as SPG, or Strict Parental Guidance, R18, and G for General Patronage. Joining them in such task are MTRCB board members, actress Gladys Reyes and actor Bobby Andrews. Aside from movie houses, the MTRCB is also doing an inspection of buses following reports of on-board TV shows not suited for children.
Maybe we should be more positive, because Filipino values, sometimes we use it as a scalpel. Hey, that is not in accord with Filipino values. Why not propagate Filipino values so that the families themselves, our society, will be able to tell each and every one, this is the kind of entertainment that we want. This is the kind of media that we want. Next slide.
Kami po ay masigasig sa MTRCB na isulong ang ukol sa matalinong panonood dahil alam naman po natin na napakalaki po ng impluwensya ng anumang napapanood sa telebisyon, sa pelikula, sa takbo ng pag-iisip, pati po sa pagsasalita, lalo na sa ginagawa, lalo na po ng mga kabataan. Kaya naman po hindi lamang yung pagbibigay po namin ng ratings, pag-review ng and movie materials ang aming ginagawa. Katulad po ng nabanggit ng aming chair, lumalabas na nga po kami at nagpupunta sa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao.